I'm gonna sing you on Brother A's, connection right now. In this life, hopefully I remember the words, but yeah, okay. For every mountain I have climbed, every raging river's crossed, you were the treasure that I long to find. Without your love, I would be lost. I let the world stop turning, I let the sun stop burning. Let me tell you, love's not worth going through. And if it all falls apart, I would know deep in my heart the only dream that mattered had come true. In this life, I was loved by you. I was imprisoned by the power of gold. With one touch you set me free. Let the world stop turning, and let the sun stop burning. Let me tell you, love's not worth going through. And if it all falls apart, I will know deep in my heart the only dream that mattered had come true. In this life, I was loved by you. I know I won't live forever, but forever I'll be loving you. Oh my gosh, forgot the words already. But bruh, request some songs so I can sing them. You know what I mean? Nah. Yeah. Any requests? Go right ahead. Comment. Go right ahead and comment, and go ahead and just request it on, and I will sing along, and I will sing it. If you got a song and you wanna hear it, if you got a song and you want me to sing it, go ahead and click the button. Comment me, and I'ma sing it to you. I'ma sing it to you. Yeah, some of you guys know that I could jam, and I could do anything. Nah, I can't do anything, but y'all know me, Eroy Jama, right here. So go ahead and subscribe, comment, request one song you want me to sing. I got you, bro. I got you, boy. No, I ain't cons. I got you, okay? Peace to the, yeah. Shakalaka la 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 la, shakalaka la la la, boom, ba.